Hi, welcome to this video about Reels and TikTok videos. You will love me if you have some content on Instagram or maybe TikTok or Facebook or other social media. And now you want to start with Pinterest for business and you don't know if you can actually use the Reels or TikTok videos on Pinterest. And this is what we're going to talk about today. My name is Mikaela Zakova, and I am a really Pinterest manager and strategist. I'm here to show you how you can use this maximum potential with this platform, monetize on Pinterest, and of course, get more potential clients, and of course, increase your conversions if in case you have, for example, e-commerce store. So let's go back to the video, how you can recycle videos from other social media platforms. It's a great question. Can you actually use Pinterest and use the videos from other social media platforms like Reels or TikTok videos, which you already created for these platforms, and now you want to use them on Pinterest? Can you do it or not? Yes, of course you can. It's great that you already have some content, and it would be shame if you don't use it because you already spent some time creating these videos. Maybe they are also very famous or they popular on Instagram or TikTok videos. So now, how you can actually use them on Pinterest platform? It's pretty straightforward. Here you can see one of my video pins, which I, of course, also use on Instagram as a reel. My primary social media platform is, of course, Pinterest. But maybe right now we are starting with Pinterest and you don't have anything there, but you have a lot of content on Instagram as a reels, and you have also maybe a lot of content as a TikTok videos. So yes, of course, use them, all of this content, use it, recycle and optimize for Pinterest. What does it mean? It means that I totally don't recommend if you just take Instagram, basically Instagram Reels or TikTok videos and you put them directly on Pinterest. First, it's going to keep the watermark from the other social media platform like TikTok watermark or logo, Instagram, of course, a watermark, and non-platform likes this. Nobody likes this. Basically, if you are putting anything on Pinterest, remove the watermark before and optimize maybe even the text or actually the video if you are putting on Pinterest. So there are certain applications you can use before you are just randomly putting these videos. Because to create video paints, I always suggest that you put it in different program, like you download it, let's say, as a reel or TikTok video. Maybe you already have it in your phone. You put it in maybe Canva. I use Canva for all my pins and optimize it, maybe change the text, add some branding or some other things you can see on this video pin here, like pininspiration.com. I use some, let's say, call to action like watch now, things like that. So it's also optimized based on the keywords. Of course, you also want to put a title and description of the pin based on the keywords you are using for your profile. And of course, put link to your business website or e-shop or any blog anywhere, because that's the main advantage of Pinterest, where you can usually people sometimes forgot to link the pins to your website, which is shame because you're already putting the content, great content, and people are clicking on the pins and then it's not linked to your website or your e-commerce store. So ideally, yes, use Pinterest, use other social media platforms like Reels or TikTok videos, recycle them, optimize them. Use your keywords for the Pinterest account and put it on Pinterest, of course, as I said, optimize with your keywords, with the link to your website and with your or e-commerce store or blog, and use all the content you already have. Because if you're just starting on Pinterest and you don't have the content, you can easily use what you already created before. So it's great for you don't have to waste time to create more and more content, because maybe you are, of course, everybody's busy, but you just can recycle. But smart way, optimize one and remove the watermarks. So yes, definitely use the content you already have. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel about Pinterest marketing tips. I give you tips every week. So you can use the maximum potential of this platform. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to assist you. So see you in the next video.